Hey, so you just finished Grunion running and now it's time to clean these things. You want to do it fast and efficient so that you can get some sleep. What I like to do is take your Grunion, which is what we have here, and make sure you squeeze it first. As you can see, it's shot out. It'll either shoot out eggs or it'll shoot out the semen, depending on if it's a male or female. Take shears. I don't use a fillet knife for Grunion, and cut right behind the fin, like that. And then I take these shears, which have a sharp tip, and go right through the anus all the way to the top, and then just pull out the guts. Boom. And then this still needs to be cleaned, but what I like to do is do them in batches. So I'll do as many as I can in one process. So this, finger, switch. All right, now this step is done. The next step is to clean the inside. So under some running water, I use the base of my thumb, not the fingernail, but to just kind of go like this, and it'll take out all the black stuff on the inside. That's good. And then this one. And depending on how many you grabbed at the night, it can take a while. So have some patience or get somebody to help you, because doing it by yourself can just be a little bit annoying. But once you rinse them off, these are essentially ready to be cooked. So you can put these in freezer bags, put them in the freezer, save it for later. You can put them in the fridge for a couple days. I like to not descale them. Some people like to scale them. I like to not descale them, and put this on a hot cast iron, and it'll get the skin really nice and crispy. And just put a little bit of salt and pepper on there. Boom. Maybe even some like soy sauce or Maggi. It's amazing. So congratulations on your Grunion run. I hope this helps you clean them faster, and I'll see you out there in the water. Take care.
Oh my god, look at how many Grunion there are. It's insanity. It's insane. I got one. Look, so many. Oh my god. Oh my god.